Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Nature. Today, we have an exciting episode for all you plant enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the fascinating world of cacti and succulents, exploring their unique adaptations and sharing some pro tips for growing these hardy beauties. First off, let's talk about what makes cacti so special. These desert-dwelling plants have evolved some incredible features to survive in arid climates. From their water-storing stems to their formidable spines, cacti are true champions of resilience. Cacti are experts at conserving water, so they prefer infrequent, deep waterings. Let the soil dry out completely between watering sessions to prevent overwatering. Choosing the right pot and soil mix is crucial for their health and growth. Opt for a well-draining soil mix specifically designed for cacti and succulents. Cacti thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. If you're growing them indoors, place them for optimal light exposure. If you're growing them outdoors, make sure they get a few hours of direct sunlight each day. However, be cautious of extreme temperatures, especially during scorching summers or frosty winters. Cacti are relatively low maintenance, but keep an eye out for pests like mealybugs or spider mites, and treat them promptly. Remember, patience is key with these amazing plants. Treat them right, and they'll reward you with stunning displays of desert beauty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting plant content. Until next time, happy gardening!